For this recipe I washed and diced 400 grams of oyster mushrooms. Next I washed and cut into pieces a third of the cabbage. The cut cabbage and oyster mushrooms I put into a dish and added a little salt and pepper. I put some oil into a pot and turned the heat on. Once the oil was hot, I added some diced onions. Once the onions are soft, I stir in the cabbage and the mushrooms. When all the ingredients are cooked soft, the meal can be served. Here I grated a little cheese on top and it worked great. Thanks for watching.